Hello, this is Dolores Umbridge is here. Today we're going to teach you how to use the BBTAC P169 Airsoft pistol. So it shoots pretty fast, if you have to say that. And the way that it works is that you see this button, this is the magazine release catch. This is the trigger which you pull. This is the slide. You have to pull the slide before you can pull the trigger. So, first what you have to do is, you see this magazine, and you see the BB, we have to do, push the BB inside here. Then that'll load it. So, yeah, push it. Now we're going to push some more in it. So what we do is, we have to go and then you see it's at an angle. We have to put it in the angle. Now you see, if we just press the trigger, it won't shoot. But if you pull the slide, like that, it will work. Now, let's shoot. Let's try again. Let's shoot to the cardboard box. No, actually no. Let's just shoot here. See that? It shoots pretty fast. Now let's shoot. Oh, see that? The BB sometimes falls out. Like that. So, this thing actually has a pretty fast muzzle velocity. It exits around 260 feet per second, but it slows down very, very quickly. So it does not have that much penetration power at much distances. So, bye for now.